Good afternoon, sir. My name is Neha Sai Kumar. I am studying first class. Good, good afternoon, sir. This is Manashwini. I am studying first class in our Shanti Niketan English Medium School. Today, I am going to explain about sources of water. Water is very essential for us. We follow a slogan, save water, save life. We get water from rainy pond, say river, say river, waterfall, tube well, hand pump, lake. These are our sources of water. Our earth is covered by 71% of water. Thank you, sir.